pretty much built the car from the ground up about 7 years ago, resprayed it. I've done all the bar work, rock sliders, a lot of engine work and that as well. I'd like to thank Monster Fabrications in Rocky here. He's one of my good mates. He's also helped me out with a lot of the bar work, but also just to give me the keys to his workshop and be able to do it all and attack it myself, which has helped me out big time. Just the bull bar and sliders was about a week from start to finish. That's a solid week of bar into it, so that's including paint, the whole works. It's a factory 1HDT, so factory turbo diesel, punching with a G-turbo, intercooler, pump, all that sort of stuff, injectors, punching out over 200 horsepower and 1,000 Newton meters of torque. Yeah, set up as a tourer, off-road tourer, but also do like high-speed stuff and like fast stuff as well. I found they were a lot better than the other original ones that I had on there, just because I found in high-speed stuff and also getting in big whoops and that, it was fading out and smacking bump stops a lot more. So now I've got these in, I can't even feel the bump stops at all, and just across corrugation it feels so smooth. Yeah, I find that with touring it will be a lot better just to get across the corrugation, stay on top of it, and not fade out with fully loaded car. Rebound's about 10 clicks in at the rear, about 3 on soft, and your high speed and that compression's about 6 at the moment. It's 6 in rebound, the same as the rear, and also probably about 3 on each of them. I think we dialed it right in just to soften the front up a little bit more. There's a lot more weight in the rear, just stiffen it up a bit more. Yeah, I just had an older style with a turn and a center dampener on it. It was really good, but once the dampener started to fade out, the coil was giving me a lot of issues through the steering wheel on slow stuff. Bit of vibration, feels like my tyres got a bit more wobble up. But now going to the remote resi steering dampener, it's helped out a lot in performance in slow speed and also high speed. And to just adjust that high speed up for going across long periods in corrugation has helped out big time. I'm probably the happiest I've ever been with the suspension set up now, just so I've got more adjustment for around town, being like a family sort of car, and then going out on the tracks and hitting it at full pace.